We're gonna learn how you can add the GitHub repositories in Claude Desktop app. To add the GitHub repositories, firstly you're gonna find them. So launch your browser. Just keep in mind that only the plugins repositories from GitHub can be added to Claude. So we're gonna Google search for awesome Claude plugins GitHub. Awesome Claude plugins GitHub. And you're gonna find the repository that works. This is a task that you have to do on your own. For example, I've got this repository here, Composio ASQ, this one. And it's got lots of plugins here. So I know that this works. You're just gonna copy the URL from the top, Ctrl+C. Once you copy it, go to Claude and then go to customize from the left, and you're gonna come to plugins at the bottom, and you'll get the add option at the top, and just add marketplace, add from repository, select repository and paste the URL. Use it and just sync. You can see here it works. We have successfully added this repository. That's from Composio ASQ, and all the plugins are available here. You can add them. So the main task here is to find the repository that works. Let's check this one. Let's see if it works. Copy the URL, go to Claude, go back and add. You see this also works, and we've got lots of plugins. So that's the way how you can add the GitHub repository to Claude and install plugins. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.